Guys, hello, hello, hello. So today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng um, portfolio using Go High Level and AI Assist para hindi kayo mahirapan. Hello. Let's try build. Ito na yung Go High Level ko from AHA. So, when you logged in, pumunta kayo sa sites. Naka-blue yan. My God. Go to funnels. We have sites, funnels, website stores. You can read that. Hello. So you go to funnels and then you click build with AI. Dapat naka-auto-save on to ha. You can turn that off but dapat naka-auto-save on yan. Kapag mawala yung internet or mag-shutdown bigla yung computer nyo, hindi siya mawawala. So, we're going to use ano, um, AI Assist. So you can name your funnel page as your portfolio. For example, Tracy VA portfolio. Select a business. Mamili kayo dito. Marami pa yan sa baba. Bakit man kasi hindi makita? Ayan, nawala. Tuloy na hayop. Ayan. Mm, ayan. You can coaching and consulting. Pero ang pinipili ko talaga always is coaching and consulting. Why? You will know later. Tapos, generate leads, book appointments, mamili kayo dito, sell products or services. Ito yung pinaka the best for me, products and services. Target audience, small business, enterprise, or professional. Small businesses. What are you offering? Uh, 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 product or service package. Tapos, you can click customize and then select language, English. Tapos yung tone mo is professional, storytelling, emotional, bala ka sa buhay mo. I choose professional. Tapos define layout, mamili ka ng color. Ako sa gusto ko talaga yung black and white. Kagaya ng ginawa kong funnel sa Uh, choose color. Black. Um, font, mamili kayo dito. Other. Enter your font. Mamaya na, i-change natin mamaya pag na-build na. You can say classic, modern and clean. Layout, single column, two column, multi-grid block, minimal and clean, spacing, default. You can change this later. You can change this later, guys. Alright, generate. Antayin lang natin, nag-generate pa siya. Antay ka lang. While nagbe-build si Go High Level ng structure ng portfolio nyo. Let's wait. Malapit na to kasi footer section na yung ano, change niya. Ayan. So this is it. You can enter here your logo. Do whatever you want. Paano ba to palitan ng logo, ante? Punta lang kayo dito sa Gidli. Uy. Punta kayo dito sa Gidli. Ito, brand logo, assets. Ito. You can just click that and then upload ka ng logo mo, whatever. Example, ito, Ante University. Insert natin. Ayan. Tapos ito, you can edit the content. Ang importante dito is may nagawa na kayong structure. See? I-edit ito. May pricing pa. Hello, edit nyo na lang to. For the content, you can use ChatGPT. Ito, meet yourself. Meron na siya. May description na siya. Request availability. Dapat nakalink to sa Zoom nyo. You have a Zoom, or Calendly. Ano yung Calendly, ante? Check natin afterwards. So, as you can see, dito nyo ilalagay yung mga yung mga proof. Dapat may title ng proof, may explanation. Bakit? Hindi pwedeng picture lang. Dapat merong explanation how does your proof or services relates to what you're offering to the client. Ito, kung meron kayong mga previous clients or previous sample, not sample, but free, services, kumuha lang kayo ng testimonials, you can put it here. Ito, may FAQs pa. Ito. Next step, you can edit this one. Ito, forms. We will create forms as well after this. You can dito sa footer na to sa baba, you can insert your social media. Let's say add dito sa plus sign, social media icons. Ito, i-drag nyo lang dyan sa baba, or you can drag it here. Bala kayo sa buhay nyo. Kung gusto nyo dito ilagay, dito sa loob ilagay. There. We can do that too. Just drag. Okay, hit the entire block. Tapos drag nyo sa baba. Tapos edit nyo lang dito. Sa Gidli, tingnan nyo dito. Edit. Lagay nyo dito yung link ng Facebook nyo. Always new window, ha. Hindi pwede current window. Always new window. And then update nyo lang. And then you can also edit here. Bala kayo sa buhay nyo. If you want to change this color background, red, orange, basta gusto ko black. Black and white lang para simple. And what else would I will teach you. If you want to ito, change picture. This is very self-explanatory, guys. Just upload your picture here. Ang importante dito, meron na kayong streamline na structure. Ang iisipin nyo na lang ang content. Retainer packages to. Naka-tailor fit to sa akin. Or, para hindi talaga kayo mahirapan sa content nito, dito sa AI Assist, Move mo din konti. Ay, wala na naman. Dito sa AI Assist, ba't nanggigigil ako. Ayaw mag ano sa akin, dito sa AI Assist, you can, saglit lang. Ito, dito sa build, you can plan, build, or modify anything. For example, i-add ko yung details ko. Let's just say here. Ito, who am I? Almost 6 years freelancing. Ito, 16 years freelancing. Ilagay natin yan dito sa AI Assists. Add this details below to wherever relevant. Ayan. Work on your AI, guys. Oh my God, kayo. Ito, tingnan niyo, nag-ano siya, parang siyang naglo-loading yung page kasi uulitin to with the details that I input. Mag-change yung ano nito, laman, yung content. Antayin na lang natin. So basically, with the details that I input about myself, mag-change yan lahat. Ang content na yan, yung mga pictures na lang yung ano, i-change nyo yung mga buttons, kung gusto nyo i-change yung kulay ng buttons. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. My mind is just simple and minimalistic kasi ganyan lang yung gusto ko. Kung gusto nyo yung mga retro, you can ask your AI to do so. Kung gusto nyo ibang layout, you can choose the layout kung ano yung gusto nyo. Basta this is just what I prefer. You can create 1, 2, 3, 4 and then choose one that is best. Now, while waiting for that, punta tayo sa ano, Calendly. Calendly. Sign up for Calendly. Continue the email. Ayan. Continue. Continue. My own. Schedule meetings. Next. Let's say consulting. Google Calendar. Continue. Continue. Next. Eto, you can check your availability. 9 to 5 p.m. Ganyan. And dito sa baba, konti lang. Ito, dito sa time zone, make sure naka-US to para hindi kayo malito. Okay? Eastern time. Eastern time yung pinaka-safe. So, para pag ma-check to ng client sa US, hindi na siya mag-a-adjust ng Philippine time. Automatic, naka-US time na. Kahit central siya na time, mountain time, or Pacific time, they can choose based on the central time. And that central time, the Eastern Standard Time. So, next. Where do you want to meet these people? It's either Google Meet or Zoom. Bala kayo sa buhay nyo. Pero Google Meet is fine as well. Setting up your Calendly. Ayan, may Calendly ka na. 30-minute. You can edit this. Ito. You can edit this. You can rename this as 30-minute free discovery call. Ganyan. Tapos i-copy nyo lang yung link na to dito sa portfolio nyo. Eto na. Di ba na-change na siya? Virtual assistant for coaches and consultant. Bala kayo edit nyo to. Dito, book a free consult. You can, taglit lang. You can, asa na ba yun? Link to, ito button actions, link to URL website. Lagay nyo yan. Open a new tab. Always. We will check this later. Itong view packages, pwedeng mag-route dito sa baba. Ito, view packages. Pwede kang gumawa ng ng Google Sheet, Google Docs na naka-paste ito lahat. Tapos i-link nyo, ilagay nyo dito. Website. Tapos open new tab. Dumami yung dumami yung mga tabs ko sa taas based dun sa details na in-input ko. Ito. Naka-edit na lahat. Ay wala, very effortless. CRM support, admin, digital marketing, how this helps your business grow. This is very nice. Ang talino ng AI na to. Clear packages, starter partner, growth partner, premium partner. Ba't ang mura? Huy, Gemma. Ito, request for custom package. Pwede nitong i-edit. Use your brains, guys. Basically, this tutorial is just to guide you on what to do inside Go High Level to create your portfolio. Seasoned backed by sales and marketing. Ang galing. Simple as, ito lang yung in-input ko. Nakita nyo? Ito lang yung in-input ko. Ito lang. Ito lang. Grabe yung generate niya na details. Ito yung onboarding na process. Sa discovery call, audit and proposal, onboarding na. Tapos implementation, ongoing optimization. This is so me. Ang galing. Examples of the kind of results I help and create. This is perfect. ROI turnaround, streamline coaching, consulting funnel support. May mga images pa na automatic na naglalabas. Trusted by long-term clients. I can edit this. I have real testimonials. Easy answer to common questions. Makikita niyo yung sagot niyan later. You can edit this one, list item number 1. You can edit this. Dagdagan nyo, change color. Bala kayo sa buhay nyo. Ready to walk to support, forms. Again, dito walang social media, so we can add social media. See? Tapos, if you want to save this, save nyo yan. And then, hit itong mata, preview. Wait lang. You hit this preview. And then, ito na. Guys, this is your portfolio. Very simple. Oh my God. Ang galing. Ito yung common ask questions. May sagot na yan. Automatic na yan. You can edit this inside if you want. May portfolio na kayo. Okay, this is for This is for non-creative na portfolio. Non-creative to. Hindi siya yung mga website designer, video editors, graphic designers, SMM. Gawa tayo ng ganun, be. This is so nice, guys. Edit nyo na lang to. Take your time to edit this. Ito na part. Lahat. Basta i-edit nyo lahat. Now, huwag natin itong i-publish. Back. Gawa tayo ng portfolio for creatives. Same kanina, Tracy Santiago. Teka lang. Tracy Santiago, a creative portfolio. Business niche. Nanggigigil talaga ako dito na part na to. Meron ba dito other? Graphics, design, and video editing. Generate leads, sell products and services pa rin tayo. Target audience, global market. Nice. Products and services package. Customize pa rin natin. Language, English, tone is friendly. Let's say friendly. Layout, color, ibahin natin. Let's use this warm neutrals. Let's say playful. Photographic, realistic, abstract and design. Render. 3D render, digital art. Pwede din to. Tayo natin to. Single, card-based, 2 columns, hero supporting sections. Ito, maganda din to. Generate. Let's wait. By the way, kanina guys, hindi ko napakita sa inyo yung yung nilagay natin dito na link sa Calendly. So if we will click that, charan, the client will book your availability. See? Simple. You can also edit this. Sabihin mo free discovery call. Pwede nyo i-edit to. So let's wait kung anong malalabas dito. But yeah, this is so nice. Ito na, may portfolio na kayo. Easy. Very streamlined, very professional, very malinis. Ang galing. Guys, use AI. My God, kayo. AI is supposed to help us, not replace us. AI will not build this type of result without your brain. I'm very excited anong ilalabas nito na result. Ayan na. Wait lang ha, may re-reply lang akong email. Ayan na. Diba? Ang ganda. This is so nice. You can put your here, yung mga graphics design nyo, video edits nyo. Pwede nyo you can double this. Okay, gusto ko marami akong ilalagay na ilalagay na, tawag dito, na sample. Ito, click nyo lang yung yung block. Ayan. Pag makita nyo to, duplicate yan. Ayan. Hindi pala dito na hayop. Delete, 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 delete. Huwag dito. Dito pala dito. So, i-click the block. Duplicate. Ayan. Duplicate pa. Damihan nyo. Kung marami kayong design, sample. This is so nice. Browse full portfolio. Wag na to. Dito na ilagay lahat. Ito yung packaging. Edit nyo tong mga packaging nyo. Edit nyo tong laman. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. Ito, share your brief, mood direction. Ito yung structured on how to start working with you guys. Edit nyo na lang din to. Ito yung client feedback, common asked question, most asked questions. Ito. My God, this is so nice. Again, walang social media, so we will add social media buttons dito sa baba. See? Or lagay nyo siya dito sa gidli. Maliit siya. See? This is so nice. Alright, mahaba na tong video na guys. Super mahaba na to, but you can see you can see what I'm talking about. Let's see let's check the preview. Ito na. So pretty. See? You have something to show to the clients na. You're so magaling. You can just use this link. Itong link sa taas. Just same here, link sa taas. Yan lang. And it's free. My God, guys. Use Go High Level. I will teach you how to do the forms and stuff sa next video na. So, comment forms in this video para wag niyong skip yung ads, hayop kayo. Anyway, thank you na for this one. This is so pretty. I'm so proud of myself. Alright, see you guys. Bye-bye.